Have you been annoyed by the PHP Xdebug module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Xdebug Project dependency and restore that missing file. Quickly resolve PHP Xdebug module inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the PHP Xdebug module, the Xdebug extension for the PHP programming language. It provides advanced debugging and profiling capabilities for web developers. If missing, localized development environments like VS Code or PHPStorm will be unable to set breakpoints or step through code, citing a module failed to load PHP Xdebug DLL. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Errors involving PHP Xdebug module DLL typically indicate that the Xdebug project files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing PHP Xdebug module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like PHP Xdebug module DLL. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes PHP Xdebug module-related documentation. If you've regained access to PHP Xdebug module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.